So everybody, this is the install for the Diode Dynamics Tail. This is the little device right here. Before you start installing, pretty sure they give you wire taps. It'll look something like this. Try and get camera or flashlight on it. But as you can see, into the plug-in, the green, you need a wire tap with the red wire in order to get the tail turn, and to activate having 4 of the brake lights or 4 of the reverse lights. But it's gonna be the same side, same thing on both sides. But you'll see this hole right here. You need to remove that pin, the one up here, and the one down there to make it a lot easier on yourself. And then obviously you just pull this back and simply unplug. Plug this end into this end, and then just plug it in. Simple as that. And then I'll just put this all back together, nice and easy. Or wait, sorry. So right there, the first one, all you need to do is simply just twist it, and then pulls out nice and easy. And then I'll have the link for all these bulbs in my description. Plug this back in, depending on the way it wants to slide in. Twist, it pops right back in. Now if you want to make this seamless, I mean, I kind of just half-ass it and, well, throw it in like here. Nothing too professional, but so on this side, I have a 4th brake light. So obviously you'll just do the same thing, but plug it into the plug and play harness instead. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next one.